Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and we are here at Hagley Park Road, just by the sidewalk by Corbin Gardens Primary School, and we are happy to report that since we're making a plea for the rails along the sidewalk, work has resumed here on the sidewalk area, here by the Corbin Gardens School. You can see the work started early this morning, right here, with the hope of transforming this area from a obstacle course. So the work has resumed along the sidewalk. So soon and very soon we'll be seeing rails here by the sidewalk to protect the children who are expected to be coming out of school when the face-to-face class resume on the proposed phase basis. So the good thing though is that the rails will be installed very shortly. As you can see, the work has started to, or should I say resumed rather, after a constant plea for the rails here. We're happy to say that the work has resumed to install the rails along the section of Hagley Park Road by the Corbin Garden Primary School. We saw the work earlier today. As you can see, the work has started. As we told you earlier, right by Corbin Gardens Primary and Junior High School. The school is still, or should I say, the school will be turned into a primary school, but officially it's Corbin Gardens Primary and Junior High School for now. So this is the entire stretch of the sidewalk. Yeah, but it's the school sign, and you can see there the entire stretch there, right up, giving you an idea of the area. Where the rail will be installed, and it goes down all the way down to the 3 miles area by the post office, and up now to Hagley Park Road by Maho Drive. So in this entire area, we have the rails come shortly. A second look at the area. And again, Christine from Christine Cook Shop is appealing to the authorities to remove this asphalt here from her cook shop right at Maho Drive, across from the Hagley Park Health Center. And you can see it's right here in front of Christine Cook Shop along Maho Drive, and you want the authority to remove it from here. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And again, thanks in advance, and thanks for watching and a pleasant viewing.